Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I am doing a 4K camera test on the Z Fold4. Look at that, slow pan of the Texas sky. It is about 100 degrees out here, so it is hot. It is definitely hot. I actually been shooting some other videos with this camera and no overheating issues yet, which is a good thing. But y'all can look at the grass. We did get some rain last week, so the grass is not as ugly as it used to be, but look at it, it's dead. But what y'all think about the color representation? Do y'all like more natural colors, or do y'all like what Samsung normally does and saturates a lot of the stuff? Y'all let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30 and then some at nighttime too. But I just want to give out the cameras, give a test to the cameras and see what you can do in 4K. I might come back and do 8K video too, but y'all stay tuned for the 4K at 60. Leave some comments in below, and to then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 4K at 30, and I forget to mention at 4K at 60 you don't really have options to go into the lenses, but 4K at 60 I can zoom in 3 times. I can go back out to the wide angle and then the normal zoom. But what y'all think about it? Look at the colors on the flowers. They must water these flowers because they're not dead. Most of the stuff in Texas is dead, but they must have sprinklers on here. Now, how's the stabilization? I'm just holding the phone, walking around. A slow pan. Do we still do slow pans of stuff? Y'all let me know in the comments. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but if you have the phone already, let me know what y'all think about it, or if you plan on getting it, you know, what color you're picking up and everything else, or are you gonna keep the Z Fold 3 or S22 Ultra or whatever phone that you're using. Y'all let me know. But I like doing these camera tests or video reviews just so y'all can see the cameras. I just load them up to Adobe and upload them to YouTube. I don't do any type of color corrections, no enhancements. What I get out of the camera is what you get on the YouTube. Stay tuned to the front facing video and also the nighttime video, and to then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing video. This is in 4K at 60 frames per second. What do y'all think about it? How do I look? How do I sound? What y'all thought about the 4K at 60 and 30 during the day? But I mean, again, I love that Samsung puts these cameras on the front. So if someone wants to pick this up and do vlogs, they can do it. I mean, because look at that footage you get. I mean, that is good. Now, it is a little expensive of a phone, but I mean, you're getting 4K at 60 on the front and the rear camera. So yeah, I mean, you could do vlogs with these. You can walk around school and talk to other people and have a good time. I think that's kids or adults in these windows. So yeah, they probably like, what is this guy doing? You know, but look at the background. It looks good. What y'all think about it? I'm gonna come back and do some nighttime video, so that way y'all can see the nighttime video. And also, I think I might add some photos, probably not though. I just like doing the 4K because a lot of people shoot in 4K these days too, so why not do it? But stay tuned, look out for the 4K at nighttime. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the nighttime video. This is in 4K at 60. What y'all thought about the 4K at 60 and 30 during the day, and also the front facing camera? Yes, I am just walking around my famous Big Lots. Actually, look at that. They are building a new building. I think it is a gym. I think it's going to be Planet Fitness. Well, will I get my butt in there? Probably not. But they are building it, and it's pretty close to my house. Look at that Big Lots too. But what y'all thought about the video? How does the audio sound? Again, I'm just walking around holding the phones. How's the stabilization? Slow pan of the area. I'm gonna come back with the front facing video too, and just doing a little 4K camera test for y'all. I'll probably come back and do 8K, or I might even post 8K before. Who knows? But I like doing these camera tests. I like showing y'all what the cameras can do at nighttime. Even though I don't really shoot video at nighttime, I don't really have a reason to. But this one actually looks pretty good. Stay tuned for the front-facing video. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is the front-facing camera at 4K at 60 frames per second on the Galaxy Z Fold4. What y'all thought about the nighttime video? I think it actually looked pretty good. But slow pan of the area. I love, like I said, these phones can do 4K at 60 because people can vlog with this. You buy something like this, you can make videos on it. You can, you know, run a YouTube channel using the Z Fold4. If y'all have it, y'all let me know if y'all gonna pick it up and what color y'all got too. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How are the mics doing? It is kind of windy. Look at baby girl back there. The lights. I don't know. Again, do y'all shoot video at nighttime? And look at the people. I'm walking around and then look, someone's in the background checking me out. Probably like, what is he doing? But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna have more videos coming up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at 4's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out.